Welcome to the captivating city of Warsaw, the vibrant capital of Poland. In this video, we will take you on a journey through some of the city's most enchanting landmarks and attractions, showcasing the rich history and cultural heritage that make Warsaw a European gem. Our journey begins at the magnificent royal castle, a symbol of Poland's enduring spirit and a masterpiece of Baroque architecture. Its beautifully restored rooms and historic significance reflect Warsaw's resilience. Explore the charming Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site where cobblestone streets, colorful facades, and quaint cafes transport you back in time. It's a place where history and culture come alive. Find tranquility in Łazienki Park, a sprawling green oasis featuring a palace on the water, lush gardens, and picturesque bridges. It's a place where nature and art merge seamlessly. The Palace of Culture and Science is an iconic skyscraper that dominates the city skyline. It offers breathtaking panoramic views from its observation deck and serves as a symbol of Warsaw's post-war revival. Pay your respects at the Warsaw Uprising Monument, a moving tribute to the heroic resistance fighters of World War II. Nowy Świat Street is a bustling boulevard filled with shops, cafes, and cultural venues. It's the perfect place to immerse yourself in Warsaw's contemporary scene while admiring its historic charm. Krakowskie Przedmieścia is a lively street that connects the old town to the royal castle. Lined with historic buildings, universities, and churches, it's a place where past and present coexist harmoniously. Warsaw, with its blend of history, architecture, and vibrant culture, is a city that leaves a profound impression. Whether you're savoring Polish cuisine, exploring its museums, or simply enjoying its welcoming atmosphere, Warsaw promises an unforgettable journey. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Warsaw. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel inspiration, and I'll see you on the next adventure.